Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we need to update the price chart for Hedera Hashgraph. The market recently hit 29 cents. It exceeded all the way up there past 35 cents. Can the bulls in HBAR continue to push the market towards 40 cents? That's what we're going to talk about. That's what we're going to update today on the chart for HBAR. So let's go ahead and get it locked right now. You guys can see from our last price prediction on the 1st of December, the idea was for the market in HBAR to go up. It did. Next day, hit our ultimate target, 39.28%. It went all the way on December the 3rd, 39 cents, 102% run. All right, so now let's get rid of these other pockets of selling because the market ultimately, the sellers did not do a fantastic job at keeping the buyers at bay. So those are no longer issues into the market in HBAR for stopping the progression to move higher for this market. Now we're going to create a new pocket of selling though right here. We probably can bring it up a little bit higher. So first thing we're going to do is show you where we suspect the market buyers and the sellers to be, because these will be the areas that can stop the progression of a price move, or it can begin the progression of a price move. Okay. This is where, let's look at this on the 30. See if we can get a little cleaner idea as to what the buyers in HBAR are really up to. So it looked like the next, where the buyers are is right around this area. Okay. And if they're not going to hold this spot right here, oh, look at that. That was a big area of buying right here. Go ahead and extend it. And the market, matter of fact, on this 1 hour bar, it came right down to it and it touched. See that? And the volume came through as well. And we haven't seen the market make a new low until after this bar was created and printed. So that's big. So here's HBAR on the 7 hour chart. It's been a struggle. You know, the market here in HBAR, the buyers have been struggling to try to lift this market up higher. It's currently hitting the pocket of selling right now, right here on the 7 hour chart. And definitely is going to be one here. Okay. Now I want us to look at the market in HBAR on a longer term charts to try to get a feel as to, is this market bullish or is it really bearish? Here it is on the 2. So right here is where the initial stage of buying started off of the prior two-day price bars. Market closed off of the lows, and it also continued in that 2-day price bar. So yes, I would say this vicinity, this area of buying in between what, 25 23 cents, this area right here is where the market initially began to buy. You know, people thought that the market was cheap here, and they're still trying to hold up the market. Here it is on the 3. Here's HBAR on the 4. Now, let me talk about this time frame real quick. Keep your mind open for that bar and this one, because I think people are still under a false pretense that this market in HBAR is not going to have volatility and that we're going to continue to see quick runs higher in price. I don't think that's going to happen right now. I think the market's going to induce this selling. If we do see price go up in HBAR, it's going to be very rough, right? It's not going to be smooth. It's not going to be just a quick rocket ship higher price that we saw over the last couple of days. I think we're transitioning over to where people are satisfied with taking profit right now. I mean, especially those people who was holding HBAR all the way down here towards a nickel. Is now trading at 29 cents. It hit a high of 35 cents. That's asinine for you to not to come in and take some profit. Okay. So the current idea that I'm seeing off the chart in HBAR is I think we're just going to see consolidation. Now keep this in mind though, as we look at this chart, okay, on the 5-hour time frame. Yes, we may see consolidation, but pay attention to what's happening in the market in HBAR. It's making lower highs, meaning that the buyers are not sustaining all of the selling that is currently coming into the market. They're not doing a good job at it, i.e. price is trending down. Okay, that's it. You don't want to see price trending in this direction if you're a buyer. You want to see it trending in the opposite direction, which may lend me to say that this may be where the market in HBAR needs to continually hold right there. See how fast that was? It's simple, easy. It's not a coincidence. The market leaves breadcrumbs, and you just have to see what is going on. That's why the market, for once, it held this pocket of buying and it bounced right off that trend line. Crazy. So the idea is that, yes, the strength is still here. Yes, the market is still on edge to go up, but we do have an introduction of more pockets of selling. So be careful. We may see the market in HBAR continue to come down and test this trend line, test this pocket of buying. And that is where the ultimate answer will be made if this market in HBAR is going to continue to go up. Okay. So I'm just going to keep it here for the moment. I need to see a little bit more reaction in terms of which side of the market wants it the most. Okay, I'm kind of 50-50 right now on these buyers and sellers in the market in HBAR. But generally, given the trend, generally given the massive up move in the market for the cryptocurrency space, I will have to give a slight edge, just a slight edge to the buyers right now. But I'm very cognizant and aware that these pockets of selling could definitely impact how high price can go though. So I'm just going to keep it on ice right now. But you can give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.